So what you can also do inside of Gmail is you can go around and insert out a signature, meaning a specific text that is inserted in the mails that you write or reply. So to add that in, you can go around onto the settings area right here by clicking on the gear icon and by clicking on see all settings right here. So once you do that, you can go around and scroll down around over here. And right now under the signature area, you can see that there are no signatures. So you can go around and create new signature right here. And let's say this is for new email. So I'm just going to go around and say new mail right here. You can name the signature whatever you want. So I'm just going to go around and click on new mail. And for new mail, let's say, for example, I'm just going to go around and add in sincerely, let's say TutorTube right here. So let's say I want this in all of the emails, and you can format this according to how you want as well. For example, let's say I want to bold the TutorTube text and make it red right here. Not the background red, but I'm just going to go around and choose text color as red right here, and then not choose, let's say, for example, the background color right here, just like this. Just keep it white. So this is what you have, as you can see, for new emails right here. So over here on the signature default, you can see this is for new email use. You can go around and then select new email, and you can see that you also have an option to insert signature before the quoted text. But let's just go around and see that in a while. I'm going to create another signature as well. So let's say this is going to be TutorTube signature right here. And then I'm going to go around and add in a signature for reply or forward use right here. So I'm just going to go around and say cheers right here. And then I'm just going to go around and say TutorTube for the emails that I reply, but I just want to bold it but not format it as red. And I can go around and choose the signature over here as TutorTube. You can also choose new mail signature if you want to, and add in multiple signatures or delete them out right here. You can go around, add in more signatures, and you can choose that signature as well. And you can edit out that signature right here as well. You can make further changes, and everything is updated. But I'm just going to go around and delete out the signature right here because 2 is enough for me. So once this is done, I'm going to click on Save Changes. And once I do that, if I were to click on Compose, you can see the Sincerely TutorTube right here. So I'm just going to go around and mail this out to myself right here. Test, and then test right here, just like this. I'm not going to worry about the spelling error. And I get the email right here, just like this. You can see the double quote right here. And after that, it's Sincerely TutorTube. But once someone actually types this in, it does actually goes around and makes the text a bit let's say grayish right here. And if you want to go ahead and then change it so that this does not appear before the signature, you can go around and change the settings as well by going around onto see all settings right here. And by going around over here, you can go around and click on insert signature before the quoted text in replies and move the dash line right here and click on save. And once you do that and compose, you don't see that dash line anymore. And if I were to go around and then type in, let's say, for example, an email right here, send it, then you can see that the dash lines are not there anymore, and this is perfectly black. If I were to reply to this, however, you can see the lines right here, just like this as well. So if I were to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, this, and forward it out right here, then you can see that that is what you have. But let me just go around over here onto another reply, and you can see that that is what you have right here. This is the test. Then you can type that in, send that out right here, and it has been sent and archived. So I'm just going to go around onto the send area, and you can see that it is sent. But let me just go around onto the see all settings area right here, and you can see that there is no signature assigned on reply or forward use, and that's why I'm not getting any signature as we deleted out the signature right here. So I'm just going to go around and click on TutorTube right here because I do want the signature, this signature right here. Then I'm going to click on Save Changes, and on the Compose, you can see that this is what you have. But if I were to go around and reply to an email right here, then you can see that I got the Cheers TutorTube instead. That is the reply signature that I have. And that is how you can utilize this signature inside of Gmail. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.